Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Glowenvy. Today, we're diving into the world of sparkle and shine with a super exciting experiment, creating the ultimate mega highlighter. Get ready for some serious glow action. We're talking about combining every single highlighter in my collection. Yes, you heard that right. Every single one. From icy whites to fiery bronzes, we're mixing them all into one epic highlighter concoction. You guys know I love a good makeup experiment. It's one of my favorite things to do, and I always get so excited to try out new ideas and techniques. Remember when we mixed all those lipsticks together? It was such a fun and colorful mess, but the results were totally worth it. Or that time we created a custom foundation shade. It was a bit tricky, but we nailed it in the end and found the perfect match. Epic fails and amazing wins, we've had them all. Each experiment has been a learning experience, and I love sharing those moments with you. This highlighter experiment is extra special though. It's not just about the glow, but about finding that perfect shimmer that makes you feel fabulous. It's been a top request from you guys for ages, and I'm so down to finally make it happen. Your suggestions always inspire me to push my creativity further. A huge shout out to today's sponsor, Fenty Skin, for making this messy experiment a little less stressful with their amazing makeup removing wipes. You guys are lifesavers. Their wipes are so effective and gentle, making cleanup a breeze. Let's get this highlighter party started. Today, we're diving into the world of shimmer and shine, where every stroke brings a touch of magic to your look. First things first, we need to gather our supplies. This includes all our favorite highlighters, a mixing palette to blend them on, and a spatula to scrape out every last bit of shimmer. I'm talking about every single highlighter I own, a mixing palette, and a trusty spatula. Each product has its own unique glow, and we're going to mix them all. Oh, and maybe a bib for those highlighter dust explosions. Trust me, things can get a bit messy, but that's part of the fun. Time for the fun part, scraping. This is where the magic begins, as we break down each highlighter into a fine, shimmering powder. With each swipe, I'm reminded of all the looks I've created. Each highlighter holds a memory, a special moment captured in its glow. From the subtle shimmer of champagne pop, which adds a delicate glow to any look, to the blinding gleam of trophy white, perfect for those bold, statement-making moments. It's a trip down memory lane. Each highlighter tells a story, and today, we're blending them all into one. And let's be real, who doesn't love the satisfying crunch of a good highlighter scrape? It's like ASMR for makeup lovers, a moment of pure, glittery joy. After what felt like an eternity of scraping, mixing, and waiting, impatiently, I might add, it's finally time to reveal our mega highlighter. We've been working on this for so long, and the anticipation has been building up. The moment of truth, guys. Are you ready to see the magic we've created? The final product? A stunning champagne gold with a super smooth, buttery texture. It's like liquid gold in a compact. It's insanely pigmented and gives off the most incredible glow. You won't believe how it catches the light. Imagine a mix of amrezi and opal, but with a touch more warmth. It's the perfect blend for any skin tone. It's like the highlighter gods themselves blessed us with this shade. Seriously, it's that good. What do you guys think? Is this the ultimate highlighter or what? Would you try this mega highlighter? I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback means the world to me. Don't forget to check out Fenty Skin for all your skincare needs. Their products are a game changer. Until next time, stay glamorous. Keep shining and glowing, beauties. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you in the next one.